Good morning, friend. After completing my last lecture in software engineering, going to the next topic, and here I'm explaining about the software approaches, how to develop, and what are the approaches are used to develop a software product. So I'm sharing some PPT or PDF. After that, I will explain. As I told you, software engineering is a layered approach. The development of the system is basically divided into four layers. These are the quality focus of the software, second process, third method, and fourth tools. I'm showing a simple figure here. The about the layers. First layer is about talking about the tools. Second is about the methods, what type of method are used, and how what are the tools are used to develop the process. Here I am firstly explaining about the quality focus. The development of the software for an organization must be realized on the quality focus of the software, which is delivered to the user, because it's a very important thing which we are going to the develop for a particular user. It will be very important to focusing on the quality of that particular software, because software approach is not totally develop a software. It also include what type of tools we are going to use and what methods are used by that tools, and what are the process to complete these app software development. So here I am going with the next process. A process consists of technology layer which is used for development of the software application. As I told you earlier, the process is defining the technology for a particular application methods. It is focused on the how do approach, that means how can a software be developed to the help of multiple tasks such as requirement analysis, design, maintenance, testing, coding, and so on. And tools are the collection of automated and semi-automated things which is used to develop a software. These are four elements which are used in a approach of to develop a software in a software engineering. In these four layers, we can explain over the past years, technological advancement have resulted in some revolutionary breakthroughs. You can now order clothes, a cab, or even food from your smartphone while on the phone, and en route your next adventure. And that is only an example of how software has grown to provide humanity with endless opportunities. But with software becoming more complex, there was soon a need to advance from basic programming principle to that of software engineering in order to tackle those projects more efficiently. More complex software products require more than basic programming skills, as they are designed to critical system for business Software engineering teams are required to analyze user need and then go on to design, implement the test their end product to make sure it satisfies those needs through the use of programming language. This process is systematic, disciplined, and quantifiable. According to the IEEE, software engineering is the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of a software. That is the application of engineering to software in a software engineering is a systematic approach used by professionals to develop complex software and products within a specified time and budget. This approach is viewed as layered. This have, as I already said, this approach is a four-layer approach. First one is tool, second one is method, third one is process, and last is a quality focus. From the very first, I'm again repeating that topic is tools. This layer contains automated or semi-automated tools that offer support for the framework and the method each software engineering project will follow. It means this layer concern about the software engineering project methods and framework on which the things are going to be done, because tools are a automated framework or semi-automated framework where the methods are used to develop a software product or software project. Now moving to the next phase, next layer, we can say this layer contains the methods, the technical knowledge, and the how to in order to develop a software. It means what are the methods, what are the procedure, what are the resources, and what are the technique are used to develop that particular software. It will be included in this layer. Methods are very clear to define how to develop a software product or software project. Now moving to the process, this layer consists of the framework that must be established for the effective delivery of software. This layer is consists of framework that must be established for effective delivery of the software. It means overall process which we includes tools, methods, and how to develop by the use of tools and techniques. What are the phases are used, which is concerned in this layer. This layer concern about the process of that particular software development project. Now moving to the quality focus. This layer is the fundamental layer for software engineering. As stated above, it is of great importance to test the end product. So see if it meet its specification, efficiency, usability, maintenance, and reliability are some of the requirements that need to be met by new software. Have tools, method, and process laid out from the beginning of any software engineering process. Makes it an easier task for both developer and project manager to check the quality of the end product and deliver a more complex software on time by staying on budget. The complex software the software developer can easily pick out from these approach how the methods and what are the tools are used to develop a particular software. This will be shown in this layered architecture, and layered architecture is very important for developing a software product or software project. Software engineering is the application of principles used in the field of engineering, which usually deal with the physical system, as I discussed, to the design, development, testing, deployment, and management of the system. The field of software engineering applies the disciplined, structured approach to programming that is used in engineering to software development. So, here I explain the software engineering is a disciplined and structured approach to program to use a engineering to develop a software. So the software engineering stated goal of improving the quality, the time and budget efficiency. Software engineering is typically used for large and intrinsic software system rather than single application or programs. Development, however, is simply one phase of the process, while a software engineering is typically responsible for the design of the system. Programmers are often responsible for coding its implementation. Software engineering involves a number of fields that cover the process of engineering software, and certification include requirement gathering, software designing, software construction, software maintenance, software configuration management, software engineering, process management, and creation. These are so many number of things which are involved in a development of software engineering or software product. So many tasks are used to develop a product. So software engineering approach is very important to develop a particular software. Software engineering, as I told, software engineering is involved software construction, software maintenance, software configuration, configuration management, software engineering management, software development process management, and software creation, software engineering methods and software engineering methodology, software quality, software engineering professional practices, as well as foundational computing and mathematical and engineering study. A layered technology explain about the four layers of a process which we used to develop a software product. Software product is concerned about overall development of software, and software approaches are used to define or used to develop a software product. How to develop a software product by the use of software engineering approaches. These approaches are very much important to define a software product development, because on these approaches we can easily define our, we can easily understand or we can easily explain in front of the developer. Now moving to the next approach of software development is generic software engineering approach, and after that a generic approach of software engineering. The process of a software development has three generic view, which are as defined: definition, development, and maintenance phase. These are three different things which are used in a software development generic approach. Because here I'm explaining about the approach of software engineering which we are using to develop a software product or software project. First, I am discussing about the software approach, layered approach, and now I am explaining about the generic approach. Generic approach concern to explain three generic views, which I explained. Definitions. Definition phase, it is the base of definition phase. The expert get the knowledge about what information needed for processing. The definition phase explain information needed for processing, which function are required, expectations about the capacity, interface which is established, area of the validation. This phase define all the expectations depending on the standard of the software engineering. It contains three steps: analysis of the system, planning of the project, and requirement analysis. If we can say how to define a software engineering product, the main thing is definition, and definition is depending upon the main three things: analysis of the system, which will be provided by the information needed for the processing. What are the information are required for processing? This will be done in the definition phase. And which are the functions are required? These also defined in the definition phase. Overall, the expectation and capacity of the software of the product is totally explained in the definition phase, which is a generic approach of software engineering. Planning of the project, what are the methods and what are the things, how to the steps are going on, overall step. And for the analysis of the system and planning of the project, what are the requirement and how to the requirement are gathered from the user. These three things are concerned in the definition phase. Definition phase is totally defined the three things: planning, requirement, and analysis. Now moving to the next phase, which is approached in a generic software engineering development phase. Focus point of development phase is how, after the explanation of what it done, to how various type of question raised in developer mind, that how to design the data structure and architecture of software, procedural detail, how to implement it, and how design convert in a programming language, and testing of software, how to perform. Three special steps always taken in this phase, which are as: first is design of software, coding, testing of the software system. Here I'm development phase is written as a correction. It is used, it is based on change approach, which is activated or associated to the maintenance of the software. After the delivery of the product by the developer consists of the four things: correction, adaptation, explanation, or preventive. Correction is a phase the developer deals with error or bugs occurred with software, because after this phase is used, after giving the our product to the user, or we can say the delivery of the product by the developer, the correction phase is needed according to the user, and if any error and bugs are occurred with the software, the correction phase is done by the developer. Adaptation deals with the improvement of hardware or software at the user end. It means if we are going to develop a software that will be adopted by the system or adopted by the user, it's depend upon the hardware and user which are who are the use the softwares. Now moving to the exchange, or we can say in enhancement phase, the developer adds some functionalities in the software which may cause some synchronization errors with the in enhancing maintenance. Now moving to the preventive. Preventing is related to the re-engineering. That means if software ask or get destroyed with some reasons, so it needs to prevent such situation so that it acts like a safe before the causes. Methods development phase deal with the how approach is going, how the design process follow, and tools are applied to solve the problem. The important tasks for development phase are design, coding, and testing of the software. Design of a software is depending upon the different thing, how to a method and how to the approach to design a particular software. Software design is totally concerned to the requirement, according to the requirement, according to the use of that particular software, and after that the coder will code from that particular design, because firstly we design a according to the requirement, we work on a documentation part. That documentation part give a overview, or we can say a blueprint of a software project or software product. By that document part, the coding or developer of that particular software or particular project, he or she will check all the documentation and all the designing, and what are the function and what are the methods and what are the things which are included within the diagram. From that diagram the coder will code according to the diagram and according to the requirement of the user. After that the development phase is goes, and design and coding is a part of development. And during the development phase a testing is also a very important task, because according to the requirement the project is going on, it's also a very important thing to check is it right or wrong. For that particular task, the testing of a software is required, and testing of a software is also included in the method of development, because it's also a process of development of software. In the testing phase, in the phase of development, first design the documentation part, and according to the documentation part, from the documentation part, the coder will code that particular things in a proper software project. And after this coding, the coder also tests some testing techniques, some functional testing, some white box testing, and so many testing cases on the software. According to that test cases, easily pick out the developer what are the bugs and what are the errors within the system. So in the development phase, designing, coding and testing of software is more concern. Now moving to the maintenance phase. The main focus of maintenance phase is change, which cause is correction of errors. It is also a very important in the approach of generic software engineering, the maintenance phase. Maintenance phase is concerned after a development of the software product. If any correction, if any error, if any updation is required, or the user wants to change some version, some new pattern, some new techniques, that will be maintained by the developer. This is also a generic approach by which a developer can develop the things. The main focus of maintenance phase is change, which cause is correction of errors, adaptation of new idea according to the needs of software, after change in customer mood. These are a generic approach which we are used in software development process. Now moving to the software process, this will be explained in the next lecture. Thank you.